Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodity markets. I'm Ria, and today we are dissecting the quiet tension building up in the Mysore market, where international supply, domestic demand, and government policy are pulling prices in different directions. In the Delhi market this Friday morning, Mysore prices are holding a steady line, but this stability is deceptive. The reason for the flat trading is simply restricted buying by Dal mills. They are operating cautiously, suggesting they are covered for immediate needs and are awaiting clearer market signals. The weekly trend has been negative, with Mysore prices having already fallen by about 150 rupees per quintal so far this week. At Lawrence Road, the bellwether Desi Mysore was quoted unchanged at between 6,600 and 6,650 rupees per quintal. The biggest factor pressuring domestic prices is the substantial international supply. Canada, one of the world's largest Mysore producers, is estimating a 38% rise in its output this season, reaching a staggering 33.63 lakh tons. Adding to the immediate supply pressure, a vessel is scheduled to arrive at Mundra port on 14th December, carrying over 73,000 tons of pulses. Crucially, this shipment includes 36,781 tons of Mysore, an injection of supply that will likely intensify the bearish sentiment in the short term, especially in port cities. The domestic picture presents a conflict of signals. On one hand, arrivals in producing mandis remain limited, a factor that typically supports prices. However, the total area under Mysore sowing in the ongoing Rabi season has declined to 12.98 lakh hectares as of 5th December, compared with 14 lakh hectares during the same period last year. This lower acreage suggests that the total domestic production this season may be slightly constrained, which could become a supportive factor later. Counteracting the current supply glut is the minimum support price factor. The central government has decisively raised the MSP for Mysore by 300 rupees, setting it at 7,000 rupees per quintal for the 2026-27 Rabi marketing season. While this is a future price indicator, it provides a crucial floor and price guidance for farmers and traders. The coming month could see a major move in Mysore. Will the short-term pressure from imports break the market, or will the long-term support from the MSP and lower acreage create an opportunity for a turnaround? For our advanced, proprietary analysis on the specific price levels that will determine whether the next move is a surge or a crash, giving you the analytical edge you need, please contact us. Our number is displayed on your screen and in the description box below. Connect with us for advanced analysis to confidently navigate this volatile and pivotal period. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more market-moving insights, and I'll see you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।